boys and girls. This is Miss Britnett. We are learning from home and both working from home. I'm working from home just like you're learning from home. I wish we could be together, but sometimes things like this happen and we have to just roll with the punches. Oh, there's an idiom. Okay, let's talk about cause and effect. Excuse me. I want you to open up your reading notebooks to a brand new spanking page, and let's put U4L4 at the top. Okay, we're going to be reviewing cause and effect. Now, you should have these in your notes because we have gone over these several times, but do you still have to write it in there? Yes, you do. You do have to write it in there no matter what, okay? So it gets in your brain and it keeps working in there, and it just tells your brain it's so important when you keep writing something over and over. So the cause is why something happens. Okay, it's the reason. And the effect is what happens. Yes, I want these words capitalized. Okay, if I'm writing, you're writing. What happened? Okay, and I want you to put this little side note. Cause and effect connect. Let's see if I can get my handwriting to be nice. Connect events. All right. Now, sometimes there can be one cause and multiple effects. So one reason something happens, but multiple things happen because of it. And then sometimes there can be one effect, one thing that happened, but multiple reasons why it happened. All right. So I want you to make sure you take note of that. That's super important to remember. Now, the next thing I want to go over before we get to this example are some key words. All right. These keywords are important. Key words. And if you remember some of them, the cause keyword. So you know there's a cause coming. It like introduces the cause. If you see these most important words, because, B-C-A-U-S-E, as, and since. So if you see one of those three words, you're like, ding, 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 your brain goes, ding, 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 a cause is coming, a cause is coming, okay? And then if you see the word so, your brain goes ding, 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 an effect is coming, an effect is coming. You're only going to see probably one of these per like situation, but just know those key words, okay? That's super important. I want to make sure you have those written down. Now, let's look at this example. And I already wrote it, so if you need to pause where I'm at so you can catch up with me and write and go back a little bit, and so you can make sure you have everything in your notebook, but do that. Pause me. I can't believe I just said that to you, but pause me and then join me when you get caught up. So, I'm looking at this and I'm looking for a keyword. Okay, she stumbled and the camera fell to the ground because, keyword, ding, 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 ding. The girl's hand slipped. So I see this keyword, here it is. And I know that because introduces the cause. So, whoop, there it is. It's introducing, comes before, right? So because the girl's hand slipped, I already know right here that the cause is the girl's hand slipped. Girl's hand slipped, right? So now I'm going to ask myself, well, what happened because of the girl's hand slipping? Well, we look at the rest of the sentence and it says she stumbled and the camera fell to the ground. That is all of it, okay? We need both because, like I said earlier, sometimes you have one cause and multiple effects, right? So this time we have two. She stumbled, and the camera fell. Okay. Now, sometimes it's the effect in one is actually the cause in another situation. Okay, I'm going to show you what I mean. All right, let's move on to the next example. Again, feel free to pause me if you need me. Okay, here it is. So this one says the camera lens broke because the camera fell to the ground. Whoa, keyword, keyword. Da-da-dum, I found it. And we know it introduces the cause. So the cause is the camera fell to the ground. Whoa, that sounds familiar. Camera fell to the ground, right? So then the effect. What is the effect? What happened because the camera fell to the ground? Well, the lens broke. So the effect. Uh-oh. Oh, my blue turned to black. My effect is the camera lens broke. Okay. This is what I'm saying when sometimes the effect in one, let's look up here, the effect is, look, the camera fell to the ground. That was the effect. That's what happened. But then when you go down here in this situation, the cause is actually that the camera fell to the ground. Okay? So sometimes you have to look at each situation very differently. You've got to look at each one and try to decide and discern which is the cause and which is the effect at that time. Hey guys, I've got to go, but if you have any questions, please contact us. Do not hesitate to contact your teacher. We're here to help you. We want to help you. We want to hear from you. We love you so, so very, very much, and we miss you. We miss you. We miss you. Okay. Love you. Bye-bye.